Muzzles aren't just for aggression. Here are some different types and what we use them for. There's all different types of muzzles that you'll see out there. You'll see these soft muzzles. These are more restricting muzzles. You'll see these a lot at like vet offices or groomers. This does not allow the dog to open their mouth very far at all. It does not allow them to be able to breathe really well. Short term, fine, but like this isn't something you'd put on your dog if you're gonna be out running around or playing or hiking, or it just doesn't allow the dog to exchange air like it needs to. So these usually you're gonna see if your dog's having issues at a vet or with a groomer. This allows them to be able to work with the dog and not get bit. Then you'll start to see more of the basket style muzzles. These range everything from, there's metal basket muzzles, these are leather, these are rubber, and they all range in price. When you start getting into the leather ones, these you're usually gonna pay a fair amount for, anywhere from probably, if you're doing these styles, upwards of $250, $300. They do make some rubber ones that are more of a basket style that are a little cheaper. If price is an issue, they make these rubber ones that are usually 30, 40, 50 bucks. These do have to be a little careful with because it's rubber, so they do flex. So if they're able to push up against something, they can still sometimes get teeth out of these. But why is it important to muzzle train your dog? We talk all the time that a dog should be muzzle trained even if the dog isn't aggressive or anything like that. In the working line dogs, most of them, we have them wear a muzzle for a purpose. We train with this. They'll learn to go find people and actually fight with the muzzle on. This is so that we can do realistic training without gear on, and the dog is just wearing a muzzle. So like your agitator wouldn't have a big bite suit on. We do that so the dog doesn't get fixated on like equipment, like the bite suit for instance. So the dog would just be wearing a muzzle and the agitator would not be wearing anything. But it's important because you never know, even just for your regular dog, you never know when you're maybe gonna need to put the dog in a muzzle. Maybe you're transporting them somewhere. Maybe somebody else is gonna be handling them. Maybe you are going to the vet or the groomer and you don't know how your dog's gonna act. So just conditioning to a muzzle is really important. So if you ever do need it, you're able just to put a muzzle on them and it's not a big deal. Comment the word training down below and we'll send you a link for a free evaluation.